Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for all things finance, crypto, and more. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to withdraw funds from your OKX wallet directly to your bank account. Whether you are cashing out your profits or moving funds to cover some expenses, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to log into your OKX account. You can do this either on the mobile app or desktop website. For this tutorial, I am using the desktop version, but the steps are similar for mobile users. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your OKX dashboard, where you can see your available balance and wallet information. Next, you will want to head over to the Assets section on the top menu. Click on Asset and from the drop-down menu, select Withdraw. This is where you will be able to choose the type of withdrawal you'd like to make. Now, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, if you hold Bitcoin, choose Bitcoin from the list of the currencies. After choosing your currency, you will also need to select the network for the transfer. Make sure to choose the network based on your wallet or exchange. Most commonly, this will be either the Bitcoin network or an Ethereum-based network like ERC20, depending on the token. To transfer to your bank account, we'll need to convert your cryptocurrency into fiat currency. In this case, we'll go back to the Asset menu and choose Fiat Withdrawal. Here, select your local currency, for example USD, EUR, or whichever currency you want to withdraw to your bank. In this step, you will be prompted to choose your withdrawal method. OKX offers different methods based on your reason, such as bank transfer, SEPA for European users, or local banking options. Select the option that best fits your needs. Now, enter the amount of fiat currency you'd like to withdraw. Double check that your bank details are correct. This is important to avoid any delays or issues. Before confirming the withdrawal, OKX will ask you to complete two-factor authentication for security purposes. Enter the code from the Authenticator app, and once that's done, review the transaction details carefully, including withdrawal fees, which may vary depending on your payment method. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. After confirming, your transaction will begin processing. Bank transfers usually takes 1 to 5 business days, depending on your reason and the withdrawal method you selected. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from OKX. You can also track the progress in the withdrawal history section within your account. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn your funds from your OKX wallet to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing Financify for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.